are in Mountain Creek. I'm here with Alan and Congo, who also works with us with our company, Generations Media, and yeah, you know, the company behind Generation Snow. And yeah, it is absolutely puking it down. This is so crazy. We're in New Jersey. Think about this. It never snows this much. But anyway, and we're about to take a couple of laps. We got some park features. We got Fresh Pal. I'm rocking the fat skis today. The Solomon, no, the Rossignol Sol 7 HD with Solomon boots. And got a couple of snowboarders. The other guys are on snowboards. So yeah, let's do a top to bottom. This is South Peak at Mountain Creek, New Jersey. So Alan just had the craziest wipeout getting off the lift, but I didn't get it on tape. Sorry, man.
I'm not good. I'm like beginner.
He's beginner.
Beginner, intermediate, but I've been snowboarding for many years.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We know we're not the best skiers and snowboarders out there, but we're really trying to do this ski channel. It's kind of my dream. I'm going to show you some pictures on screen as the snow is falling. That's outside my house. 17 inches, I measured it in the morning, so this was a huge storm in the Northeast. I live about an hour and a half north of the city, New York City. That's the view outside my door. It's like a wall of snow. So, you know, we don't normally get this much. This happens maybe once a year, and this huge amount is sort of once in a 5-year event. So pretty awesome. If you're in the area, get out there. If there are tickets left, we'll see you on the snow.